Alright, we're cleaning that carpet real quick. I'll show you in the bedroom. I don't think it's worth it. This is kind of late afternoon, so the lighting's going to be kind of funny. You can kind of see there.
Hey, let's see what this is like.
Just leave that shut. Oh no. Turn it back on.
Are you sure?
Turn it off. I think it'd be better with it off. Because the white balance is going to go haywire.
I think it's better too myself.
Yeah, see stains there. There's a pretty good one right there. You kind of walk up here. This is a carpet we clean about once a month. They've got a cockroach treatment due tomorrow. And they decide they want to get their carpets cleaned because they're afraid the manager will show up with the sprayer and see how dirty their carpets have gotten.
And get irate.
Yeah, and get mad at them. So.
They said they were told by the manager to get them cleaned.
Yeah.
They told me that.
Oh, did he? Okay. Well, the thing is, they have a pet, and this is an upstairs apartment, and they don't take the pet out that often, so they do have lots of accidents and stuff. And so they get messy up here, but it's no big deal. We're going to use a microfiber bonnet on this. Yeah, I don't think that's worth even going in there for. I'm going to pause the camera because we haven't pre-sprayed it. I just wanted you to see the stains, what we're dealing with, so stay tuned. Alright, we just finished the pre-spray. Yeah, it's kind of late in the day. We're working with a lot of shadows.
We don't know how dark it is in here because we got the lights off because we don't want it to be bright.
Keep in mind, Jay there is casting a shadow in front of him, so try to keep that in mind when you see what he's doing. How'd that one area come out? Did you get it done yet?
The red area?
Yeah, is it finished or is it going to go back over it some more?
I think it looks alright.
Was that spaghetti sauce?
Tomato soup.
Tomato soup got spilled, okay.
That's what they claim. Tomato soup. Well, I'll tell you, this microfiber's doing a fine job.
Yep.
It's I love these things. These microfibers. They got scrub strips on them. I recommend everybody add one to their arsenal of their bonnet cleaning equipment.
Yeah, we used the standard Oreck bonnets for years. Which
oh yeah, for years.
This is one right here. We used those for years, and I mean, we did hundreds of jobs and made lots and lots of money with those bonnets. So I'll put a link in the description for them. You can usually get those for around $10 or less. I'll put a link, but when you get a chance to grab the original ones, just the standard Oreck ones, pick a bunch of them up because those are like the workhorse bonnet. You know, you'll use them for everything. There's certain jobs that are like so nasty that we just use those because they're good for scrubbing with and everything.
Over there. Oh man, all this stuff is coming right out.
Yeah, this carpet's 20 years old because this is an original carpet for this apartment, and these apartments are 20 years old. So actually, no, I take it back. This place is built, what, 98?
I'm not sure, but this carpet's OG.
This is original carpet. Yeah, they never changed this out. So, and this had a lot of stuff happen to it, like most rental properties.
Oh yeah. We came here for the past residents that lived here, and they were real bad. They partied a lot, and there was a lot of beer and bong water and all that kind of stuff. So
yeah, these people have been here about 8 years, and we've cleaned their carpets almost every month.
Tons of tons.
The whole time. I think they said their dog's getting ready to die, so maybe they'll probably instantly go out and get another dog. So maybe I was going to say maybe their carpets won't get dirty as fast, but
they'll get another dog.
They still spill a lot of food and stuff. They're kind of clumsy with stuff, so.
They're real nice people. We like them.
They're great people.
They're great neighbors.
Yeah.
But they,
you don't have to worry about what kind of shenanigans they're going to get up to in the middle of the night.
No, they don't do nothing. They go to bed at night like midnight or 1, but they don't do nothing. They don't have funny people over.
Nope,
Nothing
they keep
odd.
to themselves as a father and daughter.
Yeah, they're
Really
good
nice
neighbors.
people.
Okay, let me go look around here.
Alright,
Back over here is where that tomato soup is at.
let me
So
squeak in front of you here.
I don't see a sign of it.
We'll kind of have to, he may have to pause here in a second and move all the cable. Hey, you know what, Jay? Get along this wall real good, and then we'll move the cable and line it up along the wall. Oh, okay. We haven't sprayed it yet. I'm going to pause right here because we got to do some spraying. We'll be right back. And we're back. Alright.
Now, if you use some of these machines and it seems to wander all over the place, there's nothing wrong with your machine. That means either the carpet net is pulling in a direction, or it means the pad underneath the carpet is pulling it, is uneven and it's pulling the machine. It's one of those things. It's not going to be because you got an uneven floor. It's going to be something to do with the pad under the carpet, or it's going to be the carpet fiber itself. Because my machine's pulling everywhere. I'm having to keep it controlled. So, but on a 20-year-old carpet like this.
Oh, by the way, we did flip the pad over in between this too.
Oh, of course.
Yeah. A lot of people wonder, you can actually, you can clean this whole apartment, this much area, easily on one side. But we're going to get this pad dirty anyway. We might as well fill it up on both sides because it's going to go soak for a while before we wash it out.
Oh, it's going to be a nasty.
Yeah. Now what we do on pads is we'll use a pad until it looks like it's not doing a very good job anymore. And then we'll either flip it over or we'll replace it.
Yeah.
But a lot of people think you got to use 10 pads in an apartment this size or something like that, and you really don't have to. You can do it if you want to.
There is no way to do it right. It's just up to your judgment.
Yeah, when you feel like it's not cleaning very good for you, then switch it out or flip it. If you got a real thin, like a pad instead of a bonnet, then those will probably not be worth flipping over. Yeah, but they'll fill all the way from top to bottom.
Like cotton bonnets, they fill up quick.
Like your Iron Man bonnets, those actually grab dirt to the point that they usually fill all the way to the top, so there's no point flipping it over because it's already done. It depends on how soon you flip them.
With the cotton bonnets we use, they fill up.
Now these microfibers actually do, usually you can flip them over and get some more out of them because it takes a long time to get all that foam inside filled up. So.
These bonnets will do a huge
Oh, there's a blue stain.
Yeah.
He's on it right now. May have to put a little more down on that.
I may put some peroxide down on that since I got some with me.
Maybe some toothpaste.
I don't know what it is.
Or mascara.
Mascara is more likely.
Alright, I'm going to back out a little bit. I'm going to go grab the peroxide real quick.
Go grab it and bring it in here.
Okay, keep back from that for a second.
Alright, that's it.
If that don't do it, I'll grab the other stuff. Let me get the other stuff.
Go grab it real quick, right?
Here, I'm going to spray this one more. Don't get it out yet.
Don't get the ammonia. That's fine. Go get the ammonia. There'll be a residual amount of that left. Go get the ammonia. Right quick on. Sit there.
Okay, back up. I don't see it now.
It's right here.
There?
Back a bit. Take your glasses off. Okay, watch out.
Alright. It was almost gone. It's faded out pretty good. Yeah, I've got my reading glasses on so I can see the display on the camera. But I can't see the quarter.
It's not 100% out, but that's it for me.
Alright.
That's it.
Alright, I think we're going to call it quits there. Let me see. Yeah, the carpet's looking good again.
They look nice.
This is a completely worn out carpet.
They'll pass their inspection for certain.
Yeah, I mean you can make it look the appearance, the shade of it and everything is good, but the fibers are all long gone. It's just been too much traffic, too much wear and tear. But it looks better.
Well, another problem, these people have put tons and tons and tons of dish soap in these carpets trying to get
Yeah.
stains out. They want to save money. They get a rag and a dish sponge and a dish soap and put in there and rub some spots out.
Yeah.
And
They've
there's so
used
few
a lot of
reps to do.
Resolve, and they've used a lot of other things.
Now
on
these
this carpet.
spots were not; these are not spots that we've taken out before today. These are newer; these are fresh spots.
Yep.
But they put a lot of soap in it. They instead of calling us, they want to save money, and
Yeah.
they do it the home remedy, and it don't work. That
No, it
Resolve
just
and
makes it get dirtier even
Dawn dish
faster.
soap and liquid. That's just a bad method. So,
Okay.
What can you do?
I hope you guys enjoyed that one. And
sure do.
it's not a very long one. Let's see. About 10 minutes, 10 and a half. That's not bad.
It's long enough.
All right. So that's all for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.